Good morning everyone, my name is Lian May Hamulange Dayon. So today, I am going to show the steps and solutions in getting the mean and variance of a sampling distribution of sample means. But first, I'm going to explain what is sampling distribution of sample means. Sampling distribution of sample means is a probability distribution that describes the probability for each mean of all samples with same sample size n. Probability must be equal to 1. So, here are the instructions on getting the mean and variance of a sample distribution of a sample mean. First step is we need to compute the mean of the population. So here is the table of my participants and their corresponding weights. Given x is equals to 15, 25, 30, and 62, and is equals to 4. In this part, we are going to add the given and divide it by 4. 15 plus 25 plus 30 plus 62 is equals to 132 over 4. So if we divided 132 over 4 is equals to 33. So at that time, we can say that the mean of a population is 33. Second step is compute the variance of population. So in this table, we just need to put under the x or the weight or element of our participants. And to determine the answer in the second row of the table, we just need to diminish or minus our elements and the mean of population. Our mean of population is 33. So 15 minus 33 is negative 18. 25 minus 33 is equals to negative 8. 30 minus 33 is equals to negative 3. And last, 62 minus 33 is equals to 29. And last, to determine the answer in the third row, we just need to square our answer in the second row and add them to get the final answer. Negative 18 squared is equals to 324. Negative 8 squared is equals to 64. Negative 3 squared is equals to 9. Positive 29 squared is equals to 841. If we add them together, we can get the answer of 1,238. And now, to determine the variance of the population, we need to divide the answer 1,238 to 4. So 1,238 divided by 4 is equals to 309.5. So we can say that the variance of the population is 309.5. Third step, determine the number of possible samples of size n is equals to 2. Given big letter N is equals to 4, small letter n is equals to 2, NCN is equals to 4, C2 equals to 6. Step 4. List all possible samples and their corresponding means. By determining the possible samples of size n is equals to 2, we get these 6 possible samples: 15 and 25, 15 and 30, 15 and 62, 25 and 30, 25 and 62, 30 and 62. So to get the mean of 6 possible samples, we need to add it and divide it by 2. 15 plus 25 is equals to 40, divided by 2 is equals to 20. And we're just going to repeat the process until we get to the bottom. Step 5. Construct the sampling distribution of sample means. So, we have this table of sampling distribution of sample means. Our sample mean is 20, 22.5, 27.5, 38.5, 43.5, and 46. The probability of the sample means that we have gathered is equals to 1. If we added the probability together, the result of this is equals to 6. On the third row, we are going to determine the probability of our sample means out of 6, and we can get the answer 1. Compute the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample means. So here are our sample means: 20, 22.5, 27.5, 28.5, 43.5, and 46. We have the probability of 1/6. And to get the mean of the sampling distribution of the mean, we need to multiply our sample mean and its probability. So we have 20 multiplied by 1/6 is equals to 3.33. And we're going to repeat the process until we get to the bottom. So after that, we're going to add our answers. 3.33 plus 3.75 plus 4.58 plus 6.42 plus 7.25 plus 7.66 is equals to 32.99. So the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample mean is 32.99. Step 7. Compute the variance of the sampling distribution of the sample means. So in this table, we have our sample means and their corresponding probability. To get the answer in the third row, we need to diminish or minus our sample mean 32.99 to 20. So 32.99 minus 20 is equals to 12.99, and so on and so forth. And it is the same as in the third row. We are going to square our 12.99. So 12.99 squared is equals to 168.74. And we're going to repeat the process until we get to the bottom. And on the fourth row, we are going to multiply our answer in fourth row on the probability 1/6. So we have 168.74 times 1/6 is equals to 28.12. And after that, we're going to add all of our answers. So we have 28.12 plus 18.34 plus 5.02 plus 5.06 plus 18.41 plus 28.21 is equals to 103.16. So we have 103.16 in total. So the variance of the sampling distribution is 103.16. So in this last step, we are going to construct the histogram for the sampling distribution of the sample means. So this is my histogram. As you can see, my histogram is flat because of the consistent probability of 1/6 in my sample means. I hope this video can help you too. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.